Hey, let's get crunk, loan me $1. All for the Rams, stand up and holler. What would a football game be without the Golden Ram cheerleaders? Thank you, cheerleaders, and Carla Anderson for the great job that you do. Go Rams.
Jarvis Small on the carry for the Golden Rams. A short loss on the play, bringing up a second down.
Albany State Athletics would like to thank Spray Glow for your generous support of Golden Rams Athletics.